Do you believe Google Apps can be used to make money? You had better believe it, because the extension or program has made making money online a lot easier. It's Google Translator I'm talking about. I was surprised to learn how much money a simple Google app might generate for me. Simply follow the basic and straightforward instructions in today's videos. You will not require any professional or special skills. You won't have to spend any money. You won't require any social media followers or engagements. All you have to do now is follow my instructions to potentially make a lot of money online. The best part about this method is that it is entirely free for everyone and that it is available in every corner of the globe, including right now where you are. I guarantee that if you implement this method after seeing this video, you will be able to supplement your income. What's even better is that you can use this strategy as many times as you like, so if you put in a little more effort, I'm confident you'll be able to make a lot of money online. However, in order to figure out how to use the app, you'll need to watch every second of this video to figure out how to set it up properly. But first, welcome to Make Money Online, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest method possible. Please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified anytime we post a new video on how to generate money online, and you can get started right away. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. And if you have any problems, questions, or ideas on the video, please don't hesitate to express them in the comments section below. Let's return to the video now. First and foremost, I'd like you to visit Latium. This platform has a lot of potential for profit. But before I go into depth about what you'll be doing there, I'll show you how to sign up and how much money you may make. We will be able to make money using this platform with little to no effort and simply a few taps and clicks on our screens. However, move your mouse over Explore Projects on the Latium site and click it. After clicking, you'll be taken to this page, which lists all of the featured projects on the platform. As you can see, each project involves a significant sum of money. You could make thousands of dollars by doing just one activity. The best part is that there are literally hundreds of projects to choose from, ensuring that you will discover something you enjoy. Allow me to clarify what we hope to achieve in LATIM. The first step, in the simplest terms possible, is to register. Then you must select and apply for the project on which you wish to work. If you are accepted, you will go to the next round. Step 2 is to finish and submit the project as asked by the customer, and then step 3 is to release the funds. It's as simple as that. It's as easy as 1, 2, and 3. They pay within 24 hours, so you won't have to be anxious about the payment process. Simply fantastic. Now I'll show you how to register in LATIM properly in order to obtain a signing bonus. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Now let's return to the video in order to get your sign-up bonus. Stay with me and learn the details so we can go forward. Simply click on the button that reads, "I want to work" right here. After clicking, you will be invited to provide Latium with the necessary facts and information in order to effectively register your account. After you've completed the registration process, they'll give you a verification email, and once you've confirmed your account by email, you'll be able to sign up right away. Easy money bonus. Simply check your email for the verification email and click on the verification link. You will be able to see if you have earned the signing bonus after successfully signing up and authenticating your account. This platform has the advantage of being accessible from anywhere on the planet. It's a fantastic opportunity for folks to create their own business and support themselves and their families. Imagine being able to finish a single project that pays off handsomely. It would make a huge difference in your life. You may browse all of the categories available on this platform by returning to the Explore Projects tab on the left-hand side. Now, in order to save you time, I'll give you another suggestion on how and where to focus this strategy in order to build a continuous flow of money that you can turn into a reliable source of income. So, in order to make more money, concentrate just on this one area: languages and translation. You'll be sent to a page that lists all of the work in this category if you click on it. You won't need any technological skills, a large social media following, or a long resume to prove your life achievements, so don't worry. Because, as I previously indicated, it will not need much effort on my part. All you have to do is utilize Google Translate and click and tap buttons. As you can see in the featured projects, service providers make this much or more on each project they complete, implying that you may earn a lot more if you work on multiple projects at once. Here are some examples of articles that these clients would want you to translate. Consider how much money you could make for each translation service you perform. As a result, it has the potential to make a significant difference in your life. Each project's wage and payment choices will differ. Some clients use PayPal or similar services to pay, while others use cryptocurrencies. So, let me show you how to translate a short article so that you can grasp the entire approach and concept of getting money online, using this Google app. Now go to google.com and type Google Translate into the search box. You'll be brought to this screen after clicking search, where you can translate words or phrases. To proceed, simply enter in the original language of the article and the language in which you wish the article to appear in these boxes separately. Simply copy and paste the material in its native language into the left-hand column. When you paste it, it will automatically translate into English. But please allow me to take a moment to pause you. Isn't it true that these boxes are excessively small? Let's expand the size of this translation tools page. You can either click on the Google Translate link or put translategoogle.com into your browser to be redirected right away. After clicking or inputting the link on a page with larger translation boxes, you'll be transported here. Allow me to demonstrate how to translate using this tool once more. In this box, where it says Detect Language, you will upload the original article in its native language. I'll duplicate it and post it over here on the left as an example. It will immediately detect the language of the copied article. If English is detected, it will also immediately switch to English. Overall, the entire service is excellent and time-saving. You type the article to be translated into this box, and it will be translated in seconds. Another option in Google Translate is to upload your project file as a Word document to be translated in Google Translate. Of course, it will immediately translate the document in the project where it was submitted, and you can simply submit these translated projects once they are finished, assuring a speedy turnaround time and a favorable rapport with your clients. The approach is still very new, and only a few people are aware of it. Because this is still a novel concept, we should take advantage of the chance because just a few people are aware of our approach. And, as the examples show, the strategy is simple to implement. Simply copy and paste the provided project into Google Translate, and the outcome will display in seconds. Boom! It's simple money. That's all there is to it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video if you hit the like button.